Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office and we're talking about a car and truck feature that most people hate. I myself also don't like it. Before we get started about this, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button, helps a small channel out. Hit the notification bell so you know I'm posting new content, and thumbs up at the end of the video. So, about last week it was notified by the EPA head lead, Selden, has told everybody that now manufacturers are no longer to be required to install, yes, auto stop, auto start features. All right, so we can see a show of hands in the room. Who likes that features? Nobody. Anyway, basically a long story short of it is manufacturers were getting some type of stipend or small amount of money for actually installing this in their vehicles because the EPA required it. Well, basically what they're saying is they're no longer going to do that. They're no longer going to give manufacturers anything for putting this in there. And so most manufacturers love taking extra features out so they can save pennies on the dollar, or even $50. Now you might be thinking, well, I don't know what that exactly is. Auto start technology basically means when you come to a stop at any point, whether it's in traffic or a stoplight, the auto stop feature shuts the engine off. Mid-cycle, it just shuts it off. And then what happens is when you let your foot off the brake, the vehicle then restarts and gets going. Well, there is some speculation here that it can be dangerous. It is very laggy in most circumstances where people, it's a hesitation. The cars are honking because your car is slow to go or you didn't realize it, and this thing's just barely getting started. Some cars are actually really herky-jerky when that engine restarts, and it's a really, really frustrating feature. Now, most manufacturers give you a button to shut it off every time, but that's a pain in the ass also to reach down and shut that thing off. And their biggest thing is that they allege that the starters and the engines can handle all of this. Well, at the end of the day, if you guys watched any of my Subaru videos, I went almost 9,000 miles in my 24 Subaru Forester, and the auto stop feature, I actually left it on because it was a lease. I wanted to see how much gas savings I would have had, and it saved 0.00265 worth of fuel. So if you guys don't know that, that is like hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. It's not a lot. But the wear and tear on my starter was pretty crazy because it would literally stop and shut the engine off at every freaking stop. So, as always, we're always happy when they take away a garbage feature. Manufacturers are going to save their money. They're going to take it out, hopefully, and be gone. I can't anticipate any manufacturer saying, I think it'd be great to just keep putting it in, because there's no incentive for them. And at the end of the day, I'm sure that they have seen some starter issues and other issues because of this feature anyway. So it's dang right good that it's going away. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here, and we're going to catch you on the next one.